And crime for the and they are aware of the consequences. They know what will happen. Because similar situation they did some time ago when Yabakwa Semwa at 2009, they did something.
Enti saw Oobakɛ Republic. Aya Ganfono. Aye, Oobakɛ Republic. That's all Mantse Accra so. Now finally, King1Ghana abedin come afa home. Wabe clash with Gamanche. Aya ni Takiteku. Wabe clash with him. Any Greater Accra Regional Minister. Efa the agenda say yanse sa Akwaaba na woko to International Airport. Yanse sa Akwaaba no na yanfa Oobakɛ na aya Gan language. Emehye honom no. King1Ghana abechire na adwen in fact Ogbogumbi ene superment. Mechire mu amwate ase. No actually adwen amame e wo comment section. Aha Penyah block media. Meswa say ne di mo. Obe like video no that mo subscribe button. So na click notification icon no latest updates. Na ba chire wa adwen di amame. E wo comment section. Meswa so ba so. No achieve no for so anya bi ahwe. Etianka bi hyemu ana we kwemu. Hu the fly bi pop up on the internet. I say Sunday a free King1Ghana Park. Sunday ne conference no. Welcome. I was Bronikasa, Wezo, Elve Focus. I was be Anna Akwaaba. Na eno no Anna Ganfon who yan almost only problem with the welcome na Bronikasa. Only problem ya I was home. Wezo na Elve Focus and omo ewa sem but eno kwa mo hele problem bia I was home. Nemu Akwaaba na was no. A can cast a tree no. Almost no problem. Enti yan san Akwaaba no. E bi se nka International Airport e wo Kumasi a. Anga Kumasi for ntia say yemfa Oobakɛ ena ento so we say Oobakɛ no eye Ganfo kasa edom say o ni say de Akwaaba ko Akwaaba to say akwa say bibia Kumasi for no nko ade ente na yenyi Akwaaba ni firi ho ni emfa Oobakɛ ena emeto so ema no kwa ba ekra no Greater Accra Regional Minister obe defend here what I say
tax to the mayor, and so find out from the mayor he is handling those things. When I receive no, you said he didn't want to talk. No, he should be able to update you because that was about a week ago when we engaged. I tasked him to a specific they should agree on whatever name they want to use there. And so they work on it, so he should be able to update you the happenings there.
And you think it's a genuine concern?
Oh yes, it's a genuine concern. This is Greater Accra. Greater Accra is for the gas. I mean, how can we sit in Greater Accra and expect Wezo? Wezo is for the voters. Are you getting? So they have legitimate concerns. I mean, these are real concerns that needs to be addressed. And so I'll support them. Why not?
Ni akwele oklu obe defend so normal cause Accra it is for the people of Ghana ejade bi wo honom no e was Ganfo and I say omo eno ayo de omo na say omo chire bia efa e ma be kai so a Gamanche started this whole agenda on go in can start 2023 23rd November and okache kufa say kufa the exercise Greater Accra din no enya the Ghana Dango region but na do emfi no e ma na nse ka Accra say na nse wa kan say oh Gan hodom no there say address will be with welcome enya nice name no say address will be with what Oobakɛ ko eno ene ye Ganfo no e dia na say ono ene hye ni nyina na enum no ana King1Ghana abekye na adwen e wo ho
And crime for the and they are aware of the consequences. They know what will happen. Because similar situation they did some time ago when Yabakwa Semwa at 2009, they did something. They thought they were fighting the Asantes. I'm realizing here, no, not almost tradition good. Am I go to a time as here can Ghana prominent traditional leaders and I say traditional schools, prominent ones. Near one crime for Kunyedi. And crime for the feeling at a certain point of life, to the extent that they felt are they yet the know in the case of your Diana. Or jump for any pan on crime memoir. I'm telling you, they know this. What did they do? Have you ever asked yourself as a guy, say a DNA see here, Mamo, I hear no take yes, I got my children revival. Have you ever asked yourself, 2009, you attacked the system without you knowing that you were attacking the system. You attacked an ex-president. And I'm not sure Munya Chimota of Anko interchange. A Saman motorway flyover. Alajo flyover. Tetekwashi interchange. In fact, go 4 bus, free ride. A Shasiampo. Accra, dear Nam so ma musaka all these beautiful experiences. Mo attack and say Oya Santini. In this way, na komia we are. That is ex-president Kufo. Where na komia we are. Uncle back to the crew. Monko Asante region. The Constitution says it clearly. Say we are president Akunya no transfer 4 years. And I say 8 years ni we are. I will say we office. I will me support to abaya wabano. I will normal ba kumye no be. But then crime for to me a demonstration. A pamoko for so mun hiano won grass because we are such. When the man who said there be Accra the heartbeat of the country. Yeah, they need to tune the then there are some part of the body. Nine and when it say it be near Korea and any man be Ghana gym. Digestion bit me across circulations of the blood bit me across pumping in and out of the blood. Now my command abo a year Accra is just the heartbeat of the country. There are some other parts of the body all year Jumani this is Accra. It is a multimisha system who attack the system. The number of someone has no more way. That means a bedroom maybe I'm here. What they are here send high agree. I don't know Mashasi. Say a dear friend gratitude, respect. Somebody maga kunya no mu dumuno. A dumie to the sense that a dream may be not president, me sign and cry him for whom echo other regis. Still they make a child education tia. No aqua campaign. And cry for the any will trim Ketano be the car no so no mudi chia president abo maybe our bojaka krebi without even visiting and yet the Paimon chief and maybe your word abia. No jet campaign we are no cop. We normally been here my band here. Do you know why? Because a man for brown more bread. The regions need your 9 more Jania, the other parts no one more bread, one more diamonds, Eastern region. Other parts of the country, one more timbers, one more cocoa, a bit more gold, a bit more bauxite, and this is Accra. The properties on the land of Accra do not belong to the people of Accra. O 2482 the second, o kosi Jubilee Hall here by international FA. What they Akwaaba boy anymore be anything what Angela because on one they see here. But it will be crazier and more stupid for the Asantis to fight over Baba Yara said Baba Yara Dina that's no more pet. Baba Yara Dino because the Kumasi Sports Stadium though it was built by the cocoa farmers of the Asante region, but it's being catered for by the government. Into your mining Nesika to a mine with your pay dear or pen or that so. Into a canyon with the answer on Coco Baba Yara. Sada in a district we need Dina Koto Baba Yaras and cry for 1 minute. You never tear me kind of cratchel. Government and offers. The God traditional rulers, government and all cassa offers, etimi DM. And remember audios between some conversation I had with the government, the offers when they needed promotions and support. And any part and I support to Mama Mahini and I revive that thing no abani as or general. Merely the source so tune for government to the that is when I ban who said the young child. Because government could dim commodity with 2 year course 1 or 2 beer restrictions na the core gankunya. Ye free. Mupese sasase and say sase na say when nyam na yira what about say gafo no mu jimi no mo kan kwase mo internet so they will realize say government we na etimi apia bitra the next government obeba no bana sakonya ni din ebutu a obetimi akoma hia bi because dem ya na manfo hwe o edi Akwaaba nya asantefo kasa Akwaaba that terminology enya asantefo nkwa na eka eya kama ni nyina one more edu omo site east ni adade east ye 2 diamonds na we east look at eastern region. Development that the Accra is region for bet we are both some woman 10%. No, next one diamonds no more sites in the idea and the young cry. So they deserve to be credited. At least not just the accreditation sake crampono. Ye can kasa abandon yansemuno. About 20 to 25 million people ne ka Ghana ho. It went to me crown one when you sent me can't say and can kasa on the tosum yensa kasa ni parodo on the kapan and can kasa on the tosum yensa. And when you found go more mine Japan, say Kotoka International Airport near and crime for government they didn't see here. Then they call back you deserve to write it there. But I did idea Sika Ajan would know what I would Jimmy no be to me kind of credit some with Jimmy and a moment for whom size and we are movie. I didn't also tantalize when you many people we nipa. In a logical sense, Kotoka International Airport government is here. And international phone fighting. Over a year, your friend is saying, the Baba Yara Sports Stadium say you're 10 in that's all. Because almost Guinea say nipa, Omunimyansa say, there be ideas when you're mining in idea, so a DB that's we don't have to fight about it. Wait, 21st century tribalism and discrimination. Tibabi on mining in a when Jimmy say, tribalism na moyeno. Yes, you are mine. Kasa ni pado what can when ni pado what yes, Angelina Kujo, or no project garden, you are born you be, or say Akwaaba. What is our name? A dear of mine investor tone. Kasa ni pado one waka. Kwesi broni krampo. When you see how so you gun and you the Kasa you know the Busanyan say or Busa so ya Santinu. And ya can focus a gun for one acre. The craziest thing of it all, I hear the stupidest. I am crying for no Musi Church. I yo back anymore. Who was also back and I said to Akwaaba the chief on the you are fighting over property that belongs to the whole nation. Do you think the government is stupid? Ways eye ebe kasa no eye the second kasa etoso mienu a second nipa ka Togofo omo ka nwona Beninfo ebi ka nwona Cote d'Ivoire ebi ka sanso na okopie mu enso Nigeria ebi ka nwona so wezo no penifo nyansem nye because say dwa mo do anworafo ne asantefo na momom hwe kasa nipa dodo kana wo papa wo hwem ya yenkrani a wo chubuafo no uwure fia kasa be na no maka. You don't speak the guy because of say o manity girl because nipa dodo e wo fie ho wo yire nya ade no eno na omoti ase uwure fie ho na wo yire ntega na omatu entega na ba ko pe na tega nka be kanga. So in general sense no basic human knowledge we nya ade wo se betena na metientie mu nipa dodo kasa omo kan eno ane ye introduction go be bia mo obi ate ase. And you are fighting 21st century tribalism. You try to fix something that is not broken. Bien go tie gamanche wa ha. Ne se bi oka tie gamanche wa.
The heartbeat of the nation.
Uti, I had no first part of it, some no kind of any important. The first part, I say Accra is the heartbeat of the nation. So gamanche no mo adia to become tie gamanche we nya me na meka tie gamanche tie.
The heartbeat of the nation. We say Oobakɛ, Oobakɛ. So instead of saying Akwaaba, we are saying Oobakɛ. Can you say that? Oobakɛ.
Uti. So the government is accepting say Accra is the heartbeat. So government him say yeah the Ghana to 2 many pa Accra they were just the heartbeat. Your regions are na Ghana na Ghana moja. Na akoma no moja nkwa ama aduane ameto yefuru ni mu ama no mabi entiti entisi ama moja nkwa akoma bebo. So government him say e ya manfo resources ye dis yesi nkan Accra they were just the heartbeat. Owie no say promote Oobakɛ no. Na himfie honom de o promote Oobakɛ no a sensible. Ono na si na himfie nya o man ni sima no. Government na say o 6 sports stadium man kranfo a na ma celebrate ni say papa ya de. Twiro odi gu ho. Ana say je Oobakɛ gu animu. Ade ye o man ni nyina ade ase de government ka no. Nim nyansa na de tribalism be ko ho. E de ni jimi. A obi entimi nkan je nuanom a wo mu jimi sa. It is saying that support na mo hwehwe free ho no na mo de ba be. You think you are fighting the Asantes? No. Now me hwe edin Accra no kra no. Ye hwe edin Accra no. Kra no. Se mo se mo mpa Akwaaba no a, eni edin Accra no so mo de ye dai. Odi ngama ne ba. Mo mpa Akwaaba no a, eni edin Accra no mo de ye dai. Se mo mpa edin Akwaaba no se eye kasa di padodo no aka e wo mukuro mu a, ade anya mo de o. Nya mo nananom na agbo bresi kotoka o. Ghana all the regions ni nyina esika de ade aye no mo mpa. Den eni mo de nkran din ni ye dai. Edi Accra no wabusa wo se free here. Oh, wabusa. Now let's look at this. Accra, the name Accra and free here. According to research, this is the meaning of Accra. I say yes. The name Accra is derived from the Akan word. Akan word be in crime. Akan word in crime. Now tienchiremuno. I say it means ant in crime. Tatia. The cheap park and kasapani in crime. I say or soldier ant. I say the name was given to the area by Chi speakers due to the large numbers of ant hills. The name for both the cities and its surroundings. Entitietiepa, edi Accra no, akamfo ni dida omo kwa nkran ba no. Na omo te ho ant hills. Ye kasa ant hills a, on sa na tia popo bia ya nkran no, nkran ya fra mo ntatia no. Omo te sisi a, omo ko in no omo ba, omo kwa no omo ba no. Akamfo ni hu se edonso e wo man ni mu. The gallant them. Inti di omo de be ya senso de se ekwa ha de ba o ekwa ba bia nkran na ye bebre wo honum no wo ho ane ekwa ye o nkran ane be da na nkran. So tautology and word corruption ane bi emenya nkran Accra ane be ya Accra na mebusa wo ga kasa bai ana wotimi kirechire Accra mu ana nkran mu because nkran means Accra they ga kasa bai de timi kirechire. So if the people of the God don't want to see the Akan word Akwaaba, then why do you have to call yourself Accra na nkran form? The most shameful thing and say mudi dia obi na dia tomo. The new party said then mo ya kan forma because a jana and na the toba utie anabusuani. So if you are trying to say say mo mpe akanfo no ma ewo mukuru mu a aden na akandi na kire mo say mo ne sankofo we mo mpe di foforo. If you want something better to fight about the gas not this oh edina da mo so no na wasa mo sesa no me metia me kan class sabe nkrani bi bu ofum sabe o yira wo hwe me kura hunya sa ma me ken sa asem a king e kan ye nyansa sem se mo mpa Akwaaba no se eda enoma obman no na ayo onye nkranfo na ayo Because you can't resources so ebo man ho ban and cry apart from nam e dey na ye no man nim. Na export nam. Nam do do say na fisherman na ye cry so ye na export to be. Do do say na export. We're talking about things that we are taking out of the country. You export to forest trading. A certain part of the country, the other part of the body, without these regions, Ghana cannot survive. They said the Nkranfo see Kotoka International Airport. I don't know maybe say no. I am Kwasiasema obedient to me kind of current. When the entire boyfriend because more good more animals, more ya catch Ghana for I say man go school be me and Kwasiafobi because in a logical sense, why is it that the Ashantis are not fighting over Babaya Sports Stadium? At the much as Asantefo in Nyasa Chemwana, the Babaya Sports Stadium, and then Asantefo are not fighting. Sadden at 10 ED in the Dome Sports Stadium, so because they know the things they belong to the government regardless of the name. Then some would they buy any pen or the tour. The anadwe ketwa te sa akoko tru mu beka che making Ghana and say na so esin kranfo asaso nti wo se ya de nkran din na to so na mebusa wo esin kranfo asaso nkranfo na si ye e wonim nyansa kra no ade enti enu kwan so obusa sa question ne kra ne say ye de oman kasa eye dodo na chekere oman ana kasa ni pa dodo nti ase de chekere oman utie de mekan apart from say you so account for resources eti oman ni mu near time be free some not account state to be to say the voter region near the you see electricity production near the fa the voter near the so oman ni nyina no. You see, we're talking about language and we have about 20 to 25 million people speaking a can. We have about 50 to 60 million people speaking a can worldwide. We have about 3-4 million people speaking the other language, about 5-6 million people speaking the other language, not in Ghana, but Africa as a whole. People of Benin, people of Togo, some people in Cote d'Ivoire, some people in Nigeria are speaking the other language. So what are you talking about? Think, no mind, you had the dodo and the teacher. Now even Oobakɛ no kura po omo kan so se ye kase ye research about the Oobakɛ. Ti awrewosem wo mo kan about the Oobakɛ. Research beka about the Oobakɛ. Na me enko Oobakɛ no na ye nhwa the Oobakɛ no mo se emfa to airport no. Wo mo ankasa mpuntimi nye proper research about the Oobakɛ no. Ye omo kasa no. Enye hu nimdie bia emfa to internet re so ntirechi bibia mu. Oobakɛ ukobo Oobakɛ no on the internet. Hwe the internet the man. Wo se Oobakɛ no ye Japanese DB. Japan for India as a channel crown a mind boss in it refers to a class of supernatural. You see, who we are see as a channel or see Jinahoma whom we are see. Kotoka International Airport, a whom we are see all. Nasa to us unity or back and into the moon. Or say shape-shifting beings such as ghosts. Who won't be our mind to sense some phobia or to me that I don't know about me that I don't know Bema or bet me that I don't know who bet me that I don't know Yaone or to bet me that I don't know who be able say Kwame shape-shifting beings be a body you want to be done that warm. Kotoka International Airport. I dear betting never corner than zoo. Me what? You see, so even before you start to choose a name, say Fanto or Mino, why are you choosing a name that will make reference also to the Japanese? Why? I say, Gavo person much as Yenya or Mino, no more mining, yes, some more kuro, mubia, or beer, car, or munyansa, Sabra make us a Geni Bishamia, the Wofu. You can't crash now. Now, to also crowd back and a crown, there is a beside the amount, or say, monsters be, oh, Charlie, Yamana Maker. I say monsters be or even animate or inanimate. Or we are not sad to us or say Sukomogami. Zumogami in Japanese language means haunted umbrella. Umbrella be a timmy nipa like in Kwasiasem say. Near to a man near her. Near a regional minister, Greater Accra regional minister, no support us agenda way. One Accra mayor na carbon no musha boys in you. I know Mujimi Sao. See and say or mine any munyam. I dear no a ton qua. Edisika ball my name Akwaaba no Angelina Kujo bebo honyam Akwaaba and brofu nyina ka bi no ade mbonyam sika attractive people broni betisi Ghana on minisa asante focus. Oh, the most language amount for the one work Akwaaba no start them no ko Akwaaba na kasa oh e Ghana focus na amount for koba na any kente gom. If you are talking about the traditional welcoming media, then we can say oh, and they are welcoming people who enter the country. No, you bet me exhibit and culture by allowing each tribe to go and exhibit it. Nipa na wabano no who on faso no etitira o enen kan foko e china sisala foko e china mamprusi foko but the kasa nipa dodo kan ye de titira mind eno and the Germany ayeye kasa nipa dodo kan o kasa Germany no many languages hey omo deep languages are no mo kan very good with time they had to choose the Deutsch over all the other languages. I'm telling you. And me crowd beti here no I was shocked. Say hey kwesi brodi dim nyansa ko Poland omo kom kasa Polish kama o British broni kuro mu ko America kura ayeye nyina no omo ka wo mo ankasa kasa eno no omo de your education system up to now Ghana isi anyini ye nya kasa yankasa ye ka na de nipa dodo no aka no a da ho pefe no a ye hunu so a ya saase e ko properties project e ye o man nyina dia se ne onye dodo wo bibia mu wo kasa mu ni bibia mu no ono di ne mfa na nipa dodo sei ne timi kanga udo bra ga ho no ankasa kora nipa dodo sei e ne timi kanga hwencheche mu bia Oobakɛ no de me mai say when you look at all these things e crazy. And you're so crazy. When you look at all these things, and you're so crazy and so disrespectful for the country. You're not talking about Asante for. Akwaaba Asante for Nkwankasa. Eti die be ntina what time hunu na ebi no mo Jimmy. Utimi hu journalist bi oye gani a wo Jimmy sa wo gene wanze sa. Na akwa ko school no be journalist na. We talking about language and nipa dodo one ka. Make us any way for we betwere nkwasa comment. Die mu ye. Se gamanche we din Asante for ne akamfo aka bom dia ma no. That woni ho na wo kwa. Do you think say something ni be trust the people of Gabio? Say abane mwa mu biem say the mwa from 2009 eba no. Obema mo kwan. Gamanche testimony. I will make sure some side that video that in case some more here. The Gamanche testimony. Was say the ga traditional area na di mo nyam yira no. Otumfo and the pejaye. Won no na me kwosra no wo boaye e made mo nyam sa about the ga traditional area no. So if you think you are fighting the Asante Chele, you are wrong. You are causing more harm to yourself. And due to no Jimmy na umudi machina mu Jimmy no. When the time comes, one man the best say you mama na mu bodwa so na nkran fo ne ma. One man the be you mama say nkran ahini ne nya attractive be mu bodwa wo ma. And you will need the same foolish Asantes to come and support you. Of face say nipa na avye so odi ne nya no kra. Odi ne nya o. Woni akamfo na nya Akwaaba enye Asante fo kasa. Timunya sanse hunu no any edi eye Japanese fo di a shape shifting be ni human beings goes to be ni beings monsters ne hunting umbrella be ni ade sukomuka mi ni ade Japan we nyina set say we invite to mind it is your pomani ya mom ye nwene ne work towards the language ani padodo ne ka no ne nya mpanimfo ne nyansem no mo fa to mind enye sa o mind be ye no we supported the government wholeheartedly. Ye dia kuma munyina ai mu na mo frɛ ye si support mo ya promote mu besi na afi wo dwen se on Asante for dem I don't normally do this but let me show you something here bibia no waji receipt what you say efiti eye last year me say me promote eye gamanche ni nyina no I saw this coming so it go to a time me jaye say me promote eye gafo ahini the girl people contacted me gamanche wo for ase contacted me na me the chat ni say the sase what ya many ade I heard the last thing I watch what is support no an oni me di ho nkomo ekosi say Edi na meko so ametinya ya abo agafo na ma omakunya no ho aba ni monyam. So if you're a guy and you are watching me, don't think say kwase bi ne tia na ni di nkomo. Bi obi amaboa mo ahenie ne da. Tie pa. The conversation also further. Ebo audios. We nya say further to this part whereby I be trying the audios bi ni ade. Mem ye tie audios ni after he was still insisting say was say me hwe na me boa eye gafo. So here I sent him the two audios. Now, be the first audio which is mine. Ye wi ayetie eye gamanche wo faase no enkomo bia me ni di ye die ntia edru maybe me jai say me promote eye gafo no be ntia this legal be ntia
many problem about
where me di o ti
na mo a lot of people mo ye gafo a obetimi akasa magano akabo now these people some of them Akwaaba America very paid otashe short skirt ba the only thing we use the platform for nkwasi asem so obeying salty Asante for by attacking Asante for. You see, many problem to do that. And Akwaaba so ni pa followers biasa our friends and me nyan ho report sa me ni pa coming call account with that better mutabo de say friends Zani and someone. Or no so the whole report will be. So imagine me posting this. I don't have any problem. So gamanche ni santeman share ya obam. Ye promote to gamanche ma gamanche no abam share last 2 months or so. Okasa Asante abua no pa. Ain't many problem. But the man normal no esesa kakra. Sa ankwasafo emi no se nyo musi cassette Asante nje. Se wo ye bibi, wo de hwa ho keka na me ne boaga. Me sure so follow me anum say na me post to gamanche pa. Me post no. But the response you'll be getting in your DM skin. And go for me ungrateful. And young cry for you now. Sa ankofo emi no amabo mudi no. Omu very stupid to the sense say yeah person a boy in your crying for they don't see that way unnecessary post and omu post things are it me kasa manu kutia menchiampo ana it is a mako post wa
Obi kura bɛka King nkɔfo mu didi watemu mu didi asantema atemu enye me kura mu didi asantema atemu ana wo sɛ kɔyɛ de wokɔka bia mo dina na mesrɛ sankɔfo mi enu mu no ɔmo nkasa one ɔmo nkambom so ɔmo bo ankran e promote nkran ne ega nkabom so mu timi yɛ sɛ nyansasɛm no a ɔmo mfa apology mra kwasɛsɛm no ɔmo kyerɛkyerɛ keka no na sɛ saa no ma we ba me ka me kyerɛw Asante Media House nyina ɛbɛboa mo so ya na yɛgye gama nkyɛ ye man ye giri tu mu menchi jana ye do no e ma santaman ye wura so be sra no wonka ti ye do no pa eno ye obi a watena kumase ya ti ye do no na emom no de ani bibia be kama me asantini asanti pages ni na be yiro na de ne ye no a nkofo no ma ye bufu ya ye jaye do ya san ye bie mu amabo tinananom ne wo nkasa kranananom wo nkasa se sangofo no nya agimi so tie audio we ya na me catch nanana se me adwuma na medical ya ma wona enough when it comes to doing further chele me nya saade no because ye no I realize ye se gafo boys bi na machira omudidi asantefo na time basa e basa itwaye we are thinking about helping the gap people and we are doing that but then na ya bo amono masase attack eno na yesuma sinkomo so I wanted to even stop some saade no but here the garment of fasten and so at the sending the NTA this particular details from the garment and of fasten.
Yeah, I'm sure I'm much as a pan. Now, the first one boy man, but Johnny now you cannot. Oh, yeah, nobody. Very stupid guy be a 1 year chance I could do Germany. First, I'm not sure it's about 2 years ago. It means I'm manage Jai. First, I know the demon Kajaman Chatham. We name the panel. But because you were at the other side in Tino, now who did in the Panatamas? Until one day, my friend was German. Massa, we know you, we know where you live at Germany, we know where you work at Germany. Stop doing this. Ansana or Jai Gaman Chatham did or friend Yamasano, he was following in line and then he started supporting. But that kind of people, they are nobody. I beg you, if you even put me in the group, if I'm in the group, put me in the group. I will insult anybody who comes to insult Asante4 in any way. In any way, you come to someone say I am a postie Asante, I think a couple of times. Don't look at these people. These people are foolish guys. They don't. Of course, Janina will come as them. Oh yeah, Juma will. Warehouse or shisha boxes if you're going to take this kind of guys' words for serious, I was say, just imagine, just because he's got a number of followers, and these guys, they don't have even organic followers. Or you post and couple 15, 20, now they are no more like it, which means the people that are following him are not real people. So you don't. Won't shrink of food if you are not a couple of hours away. And I understand your point, and our carriers and Canfor are very good, but some of them are ungrateful. Some of them, bro, and they are so loud. It's Mr. Bemena. Mr. Menfa Ubuhis you, and Jarin Canfor, Mr. OMG. So, I was not to force me to my family in the time craft. So, why? I'll be sure to me new in tea. You won't even love to help any person in our city. So, Bemena. In tea or the new year, but I just post somewhere to give you this kind of information. Those guys are useless guys, I think.
Afe won say mo adaho and so when it comes to eyese yem wo maga akonya ni mpagya no a mo ankasa mo royal family ne nim de ayama mo it is amoje se monya di no kakra kai de hunu se ga manche we ni aboa no na me weekend se me da so tiase won kwamu na history ni internet never forget de mo ye oju se akire bi beba amwo bia sa be support mo biem nti munya engine no na Akwaaba no enye Asantefo twi eya kanfu nyina kasa Akwaaba do not have a specific accent. Say we Asantefo Akwaaba, we Mfantefo Akwaaba, we Eastern region for Akwaaba kanfu nyina kan Akwaaba. And Akwaaba is the language of Ghana. Nipa 20 to 25 million people neka. Koteche Oobakɛ mu a, what's the tree no mpu na echeche mu. Inti tasumo. Ase wonhum funso ewo mu. Wo jimi a ye ka no kra chewa wo si wontie. Ye ka no kra chew. Obi se ken na wo de so wo block na ya na ye wo block no ne nye fe. We nye fe wo ho. Si e kwa ma wo man no enye fe. Ye betina ha. When it comes to reports, they be report to. When it comes to blocking, I be blocking. When it comes to some cost for Ghana, they be some. Me no can say, and say me bring the to Ghana. Yeah, they know answer ebe be some. But before, now me Kaiwo say Akwaaba no. Enya Asante fo nkwa kasa into 21st century. Mumi enya tribalism, discrimination. Ni enyini omaye pesi etu anamo up to now. Yeni kasa yenyina yeka. We are still fighting about a third language nipa say enombe superior. Hey, the way Jimmy resources our mind put it through to push a language. You know, yen wan sitting nyina. Dwene na oman no enye nipa ba ko pedia. Accra is just the heartbeat of the country. Oman no other parts of the body. I was here near celebrating near when say oman na boka e wo ho. So wo se won tiase say first and second language nipa kan oman no. I don't know what's here di bo bibia welcome. Near go for a third language then you have a problem psychologically. Government dem we say Accra no or just a heartbeat and a bridge has been a kabom to make the Accra survivor. Say gafo so mu project na say e gafo no na esia na Oobakɛ egu animu a enye problem. But adia ye the taxpayers money na ye. Ye the other regions suffering na ye. Adentin na wo say enye kasa ni pa kapado. Eni de tosu mienu na was ye the money pa work camp ewo. Stop that and stop the discrimination and tribalism. We are in the 21st century. We are thinking about how our mind because enye say hunu ni ade. Say government no esi no mama o man no obetimi do Oobakɛ ato so. But adia your money nyina na ye no. E was say hwe kasa our money nyina aka. Do no ka. And was here to. So also want to who a mental problem. Where is a psychological doctor? Where you fair? Where even a layman will understand the basis of the understanding in this particular conversation. And the more you must have the respect. Emma Santafonia can for them more. And then I can for them fight here over Baba Yara Sports Stadium. Say a 10 dinner that's because they know that Baba Yara Sports Stadium is a minor dear. So whatever name the government choose to put on the Baba Yara Sports Stadium, their Santis and their cans have to respect that. Unya kine bi wedding cry. Ye na Ghana for kafa ho. Ye nuanom kran for ye. E de na Ghana for kafa ho. Ye be boaboa no. Ye de ababa be somo de Ghana for e kafa e sankobo we. Unya kine bi wedding cry. In case of any update message on this video, you people came to me say me promote mo. Na me nim say sa na mo page na no. E de say mo wiam betwa mo ho ene asante for ako. Enzo mo de mo ye. Enya asante for na mo no mo ko. We tribalism and discrimination. We the accounts that you are fighting. Hwe de na mo choose your Japanese word. Japanese word. Monster name samafo ne ade and yemfa ho din enko to Kotoka International na Kotoka International port esi won esi e de si anka ba ko full play all
I Penyah block no that try am e comment section Accra.